Welcome back to the Follow a Researcher program. We're going to talk today a little bit about asking questions and why scientists ever leave the lab, why we go on expeditions at all. Scientists are observing abrupt changes in Earth's climate today, and one of the strongest driving influences that we observe is a warming in the waters of the equatorial Pacific, a phenomenon you may have heard of that's referred to as El Nino. We have a whole array of satellites and weather stations that do a fantastic job of recording what's happening in the climate today. But I'm interested in what happened hundreds to thousands of years ago in Peru and in other parts of Central America. And to study those problems, we have to go to the places where we might find little samples of that past atmosphere recorded. In this case, that's glaciers. We'll bring samples of these glaciers back to our laboratories in Orono, where we will measure their chemical content and use that chemistry to figure out just exactly what was happening in the atmosphere during the last period, the period we're studying called the Little Ice Age. If you're interested in finding out why we measure ice cores to find out what's happening in the atmosphere, tune in again next week.